Expect that whatever evidence that was paraded, it will be produced to court. We expect that whatever the prosecutor or otherwise that shall be producing to court, we wouldn't want them to seek more days for evidence. What was paraded yesterday is enough to proceed with the trial, so I'll be much baffled when the investigating officer or the DPP goes to court seek more additional days for investigation. Police person gives a confession. There are due processes in which it is done. Remember that the respondent, as per now, is under police custody. What goes around, nobody knows. So the manner and the circumstances in which he gave the confession, we cannot talk of now at this moment. Sham. Yeah, because what they are seeking under miscellaneous application is to seek more days. Yet yesterday you saw the acting Inspector General and the counterpart DCI parading some purported incriminating evidence. Why would they do that yesterday? Yet today they are coming with a miscellaneous application seeking more days. I think it's time Kenyans be told the truth. Let's know the truth, and it will set us free. For now, the law will take effect. Yeah, let's give room to the law to take effect. In the circumstances, even if there were family members, at this time I don't think, even me, getting where the client is was an issue.